Well, hello all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I am doing a short video to show you how great these handoff handles are that I got from Cat Simmons. There will be links down below in the description where you can get them at on Amazon. I bought my first pair. I've used it twice, and then I got a few more pair. So first, I'm going to show you the hands-off handles are on the sides here. And I'm trying to show you there's no bumps or anything. And you can see where they were at, it didn't cause any problems. Then now I can't show you the whole painting here because it's for a video that hasn't been released yet. But I am going to show you the sides where the handles are at. Here is the handle on this one. Okay, let me see how I can get this under here. There you go. Now you can see there's no bumps or dents or anything from the handle, and neither on this side. Let me get my hand out of the way. Okay, can't show you the whole painting yet, not till the video's released, because it was my do's and don'ts challenge with Sarah Mack. Now I want to show you how easy it is to put the handles on a canvas. This is a 16 by 20 gallery wrap from level 3 from Michael's, an artist loft. Okay, and there are the sides. Now I'm going to tell you one thing I learned. Check your sides. If it's not a straight square right here, if this is beveled any, it's not going to work. The handles won't work on that. They're working on a little wedge, I guess you could call it, to put in there. So anyway, here is the end. Here is my handle, and you can see I got the screws in there just a little bit. So now basically, wait a minute, I better put this down. Okay, basically you want to slide this over. Okay, I got to back out the screws a little bit. Okay, there you go. And then you basically tighten these to make it snug, not to overly tighten it, okay? Now these screws are going to be what levels your canvas. Okay, see, now it won't move. Okay, now I'm going to put on the other handle. Let me turn this around. You want to slide this in between the canvas and the frame. See how easy that is? And then you want to tighten these screws just to what you call snug. You don't want to over tighten them, or it could put holes in the wood. You want it just tight enough so this doesn't slide down. Okay, now you're going to put it down, and you're going to check it with a level. And that's level. That's level. That's almost level, but see, I think it has to do with my table and not the canvas. And then that's level. And that's level. So she does send you a card with instructions. Well, 2 pieces with instructions. One has tips and tricks on it, And the other one has some of the tips and tricks too. It says how to use. Simply slip the handle in between the canvas and frame and ever so gently twist the screws. I love this part. Don't be a beast and over tighten. Think snug. And then the other tip on here is when your handles get enough paint on them, and we know they will, just soak in hot water and boom, the paint will peel off. And let me hold this up so you can see it. She has all of her contact information on there. I don't know if that QR code would work for anybody. She is on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and she has a shop on Amazon, and she's got her own shop. And I'm going to put the links down below the video of the Amazon links to buy these, because that's the link that kind of helps me out a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed this little short video, and I hope to see you tonight at 6 p.m. Central when I paint on this, because I don't have it handy. I can't show you what I'm going to use. Well, I'll link it down below when I set it up, the live tonight. I'm using a Brian's toy, and I might put it here, you know, and move it around. I'm using the large drip cup. So join me tonight for that at 6 p.m. Central. And please go get yourself some. These things are so great, you know. You never, never, never touch the canvas sides, and you never, ever, ever touch the paint. So that's all I can really say. So thanks for joining. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It helps the channel out a lot. And don't forget to hit the little bell for the notifications, so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video or go live. And tell me down in the comments any questions that you have. And if you need to ask the maker of these, which is the name of the company's Hands Off Handles, and her name is Kat Simmons. So if you have any questions of her, go to one of her links that I put down below, okay? And all I can say is bye for now.